Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to continue our most important topic, that is expert systems in artificial intelligence. So in this session we are going to discuss about its applications with some easy examples that will help you get good marks in your examinations. So now let's just start the discussion. So as we all know, expert systems are basically AI powered applications designed to mimic human decision making in specialized domain, right? For every domain we have to create a unique expert system. These systems can store knowledge, they can apply reasoning and provide expert level recommendations, making them useful in various industries. So here we have so many application areas where we are using expert systems in our daily lives. So the first application we have is healthcare. As we all know, expert systems play a crucial role in medical diagnosis, treatment recommendations, and drug safety. So, expert systems also help doctors to make informal decisions based on patients' symptoms and medical history. For example, if कोई पेशेंट हमारे पास है जिनको अपने पूरे डाइट चार्ट बनवाना है उनकी रूटीन के बेसिस पे, उनकी हेल्थ के बेसिस पे, 30 डेज का, 90 डेज का, सो किसी एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर को वहां पर अवेलेबल होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Our expert system in healthcare is already doing this for their patients, right? So as you can see here, disease diagnosis and treatment recommendations, for example, mycin. So mycin was one of the first medical expert system developed to diagnose bacterial infections and recommend antibiotics. This particular expert system always detect bacterial infection in any part of body, and as per the level of infection it always recommends antibiotic to their patients based on their age, based on another diseases that a patient have. Clear? So these are the expert systems. For example, if the patient has a fever and a white blood cell count is above 1000, let's say, then there is a high probability of bacterial infection. ठीक है, सो बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन इस तरीके से वो डिटेक्ट करेगा पेशेंट की हिस्ट्री को चेक करके. If we talk about drug interactions and dosage suggestions, that means AI systems analyze potential drug interactions to prevent harmful side effects. For example, its expert systems name include IBM's Watson Health and Dyna, this is D, okay, Dynamed. So these are two expert systems that we are using to interact with drugs. Another healthcare example can be your medical imaging and diagnosis. For example, AI-driven expert system analyze X-rays. They can also analyze the MRI reports. They can also analyze CT scans to detect abnormalities in any patient. For example, we have DeepMind's AI system that detects eye diseases using retinal scans. So all these are taken under healthcare department. So we have so many benefits of using expert systems in healthcare. The first benefit includes it reduces human errors in a diagnosis. हो सकता है कोई व्यक्ति से कुछ चीजें मिस हो जाएं, कभी कोई डॉक्टर रिपोर्ट गलत देख लेते हैं. This happened to all of us, right? This happened with all of us, right? So another benefit can be it provides quick and accurate medical insights. It helps doctors in remote areas with limited resources. So all these are the benefits of using expert systems in healthcare. If we talk about business and finance, that is point number B over here. So expert systems improve risk analysis, investment strategies they can share with us, customer relationship management in the financial sector. All these can be done in this particular field. So first we have is the risk assessment for loans and credit approvals. So many banks these days are using AI to access क्रेडिट वर्थिनेस ऑफ लोन एप्लीकेंट्स. मान लीजिए आप लोन के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, तो बैंक में जो वो क्रेडिट देखा जाता है ना कि आपका बैंक का क्या क्रेडिट चल रहा है, तो वो सब अगर क्रॉस चेक करना है तो उसके लिए एआई सिस्टम्स बैंक्स आर यूजिंग दीज डेज. एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम्स एनालाइज फैक्टर्स लाइक क्रेडिट स्कोर, इनकम ऑफ अ पर्सन, रीपेमेंट हिस्ट्री की आज से पहले आपने लोन लिया है तो इजीली उसको आपने फिल कर दिया था या नहीं, वो सब चीजें एनालाइज करके अब बताएगा कि रिस्क असेसमेंट क्या है, आपको लोन दिया जाना चाहिए या नहीं. फॉर दिस we have an expert system called FICO, Fair Isaac Corporation. This is basically a scoring model, right? If we talk about stock market analysis and investment advices, so AI systems predict market trends, risk and opportunities for investors. They can also analyze historical stock data, economic indicators and news sentiments. For example, we have Bloomberg Terminal, we have Metastock, we have AlphaSense. All these are used in stock markets analysis. Under business and finance, we can also add a third point, that is fraud detection. So AI detects suspicious transactions to prevent fraud in banking and e-commerce. Like we have PayPal account users. It uses AI to detect fraudulent transactions in real time. So this is very, very important. In India, we have also used this PayPal account, right? So benefits of using expert systems under business and finance department have so many benefits. So I would like to share some benefits with you. So the first benefit can be it improves decision making in investments and credit approvals. It reduces financial fraud and security risks, and also it automates customer services through chatbots. Another point can be manufacturing and engineering. So expert systems are widely used in quality control. If we want to detect or if we want to predict the fault, if we want to predict the maintenance in industries, so we always use expert systems for those. So the first point here is fault diagnosis in machines and systems. Its examples can be Siemens uses expert systems to monitor factory machines, right? So this is an example. Another is process optimization and quality control. So basically, students, AI ensures consistent product quality. It always ensures what? Consistent product quality just by analyzing manufacturing defects. If a product in our organization have manufacturing defect and we want to sell that, so ये automatically हमें बता देगा कि quality में issue है. आगे कस्टमर इसको रिटर्न करके बैड फीडबैक देगा, उससे पहले यू हैव टू कंट्रोल ऑल दीज थिंग्स. Next we have is robotics and automation we can also use in manufacturing and engineering. Another point can be customer support. As we all know, under customer support, expert systems are widely used in this field, right? It improves customer experience by automating support services through AI-driven chatbots and troubleshooting tools, राइट. सो जैसे कोई अगर मान लीजिए आपने ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किया है कुछ सामान अपना, वो सामान आपका आ रहा है, कब पहुंचेगा, कहाँ पहुंचेगा, डायरेक्टली ह्यूमन से आपको इंटरेक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपका स्मार्ट एआई सिस्टम, आपका स्मार्ट एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम आपको वहां पर आपके साथ चैट करेगा, आपका हिस्ट्री, आपका रिकॉर्ड, आपकी रिक्वेस्ट को अच्छे से एनालाइज करके आपकी हेल्प करेगा. सो फॉर दैट we have 2 points: automated chatbots for troubleshooting and customer assistant like ChatGPT. We have Google Assistant. We have Amazon's Alexa. IT support and problem resolution we have. So under this, AI system assist user in diagnosing software hardware issues. Like we have IBM Watson AI. It provides IT support for enterprises. small or big enterprises, right? So we have so many benefits of using customer support expert system. So the first benefit can be it reduces waiting time for customers. अगर मान लीजिए कोई ह्यूमन लाइक सिस्टम से आप चैट कर रहे हो अपने ऑर्डर से रिलेटेड, तो ह्यूमन में भी लंच ब्रेक में है, ह्यूमन में भी आज एब्सेंट है, तो आपको वेट करना पड़ सकता है. But if we are using customer for customer support, if we are using the expert systems, तो आपको वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. जैसे आप मैसेज करते हो विद इन 5 to 10 seconds you will get a reply from your smart AI system, right? Another benefit can be it provides 24/7 support with instant responses, and it improves customer satisfaction and engagement. Another application area is your agriculture. So basically students, expert systems assist in precision farming, crop disease detection, soil analysis to enhance agriculture productivity. So if you want soil and crop disease diagnosis, then definitely we have so many expert systems working in India as well in these days. Clear? Like one example I would like to share with you is the Plantix app. It is what? It is Plantix app. It helps farmers diagnose plant diseases. लेट्स से इफ आपका कोई ट्री है जिसके जो लीव्स हैं वो खराब हो रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली आप प्लांटिक्स ऐप में उसका फोटो क्लिक करके शेयर करिए. ये टोटली एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम है. आपको उसकी कंडीशन बताएगा, डायग्नोज करेगा, रीजन भी बताएगा एंड डेफिनेटली सॉल्यूशन भी बताएगा. सो यू ऑल हैव this particular facility just using expert systems in of AI. ठीक है. Next we have a smart farming and decision making. Another can be pesticides or weed control. Next application area is law and legal assistance. So many benefits of using AI expert system under this field is it reduces time spent on legal research and case reviews. It can also minimize human errors in contract analysis. It also helps lawyers focus on critical legal strategies rather than routine tasks. So, these are some applications where we are using expert systems widely these days. Right? So, I hope students everything is clear to you. In the next class, we will surely discuss some advantages as well as disadvantages of using expert systems in AI in so many different domains, so many different fields. So stay tuned. And if you want me to continue this AI series, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any doubt, you can definitely share it with me in the comment section. Clear, everyone? So thank you so much for watching this discussion and all the very best.